welcome back to our channel,
The Parchment Fam.
Alright, and this is another episode of Sit Down Sundays. And today's episode, such number we don't know because we don't keep track of them. But today is just another Sunday and we're gonna hit you up with another Sit Down Sunday. So
yes, and we're very late, but
we know we're late right about now, but we pretty much have a lot of things compact in it, and we try our best to get it done. This is the last stage of the day because right now it's after 9 and the video not up yet. We just make a video after 9:16 p.m. right about now. So we are trying to get this out the way so you guys get something to watch. And we don't now wait on it. Alright. And speaking of waiting on it, for the people who always tune in, thank you for your support, thank you for watching. If it's your first time visiting our channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when we have another upload. Alright? So let's get into our next episode of Sit Down Sunday. So today we're gonna discuss
basically, as you guys know, well, I would know I'm pregnant, so, and this is baby number 4. So today we're gonna be talking about basically just how you maneuver like having sex while you're pregnant. I know a lot of people might think about that who've never experienced it before.
Well, no name say maneuver, how we experience, it's our experience.
Sometimes it's a maneuver too.
Yeah, so it's a whole experience that pretty much cover under the umbrella of maneuvering cover under the umbrella of experience. So.
Yeah, so we're gonna share our experience. I mean, me from a female perspective, him from a male's perspective, because I'm pretty sure both of us has 2 different perspectives, right?
Me can't know yet, yeah. Me feel first, and then we know if I see him already different. So.
Well, I can only speak for myself, and I know it's gonna be different from every female.
Everybody different still.
Exactly. So
your opinion out there, you're watching, your thought might be different,
or
your
what you've
experience might be different.
Exactly.
And a comment section open, you can comment, share the details, and we reply and everything,
Yes. So basically, and every pregnancy is different too. That's the next thing. But I mean, I know from me, and from me, I don't know.
No.
I know, but in the first couple of months, you're very sick, you're very tired. For those of you who really experience that, I experienced a lot of nausea, fatigue. With this pregnancy, I experienced a lot of vomiting, but I've never experienced with the other one them, and I've been extremely tired. My iron is always low, and that contributes to me being tired. So, having said all that, the main challenge for me is just finding the energy in the first couple of months, right? Up to 4 months, finding the energy to me, like, that's like not even on priority, especially since as I get me in that situation in the first place. Right? Well,
you talk me, listen. Me can answer for you. You talk for yourself.
Yes. So finding it's like it's not a priority for me, honestly. In those first couple of months, I'm like, if I even do it, I'm like, yeah, it's just for him. You're still a wife, you still have duty to do, and you have to really get that done. I'm just talking from my experience, because there are other women where it's the flip, where hormones are rage and they just want to do it like bunny rabbit, right? No, not me. In the first couple of months. No, as the time go on, you start getting other issues start coming, belly start grow. You start get uncomfortable. My husband can't tell you. Every way me say no, me uncomfortable. So especially me asleep, me turn so you can just imagine finding a position where comfortable. And then in one position where they do recommend, which is spooning.
Well,
me hate it with a passion.
From name spooning.
A spooning, they call it. Listen, me know everybody it's called spooning.
Well, we don't call it so Jamaica,
it's called spooning. You lay from the side, yeah.
I
hate it with a passion, but I know after you have 4 kids and that's the easiest position with your big belly, me not like it. So that's just a little touch of it. And then you can't really lay down on your back with a big belly, because they say you must lay down flat on your back, because it's no good. So it's like you have to be at an angle. You have to get creative, like you have to get very creative.
I mean, sometimes as a man, sometimes you have to understand that, you know. Say it's not like before when a woman agile, you know, and flexible and so. Them is like them right now. Them become like somebody
fragile and agile again. A fragile.
Yeah. So agile man, you know what they mean by agile?
Yeah, she not agile again. No, she become fragile.
Yeah, no,
that's what me say.
Yeah, so she not agile again. she
become fragile.
Right now, so you have to handle with care.
And then talking about that, you know, this is more like with first pregnancy. With the first pregnancy, you know, you think, well, one day if you're gonna hurt the baby. You know, that's something. I mean, you've ever thought about that?
I don't really think about it. I mean, that
scientifically impossible.
Impossible scientifically not because you woman really big, baby don't.
Well, you can't really lay down on her if you want. But I mean, at the same time, you still not hurt the baby.
And at the same time, you just have to go in the human body still because. It's not like when if female normal, you have to go with dream body, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So if they can't set a certain way, you cannot force them, or you just have to improvise. That's the word, improvise. You just have to improvise and get creative, you know?
But upon the note where you know, not hurting the baby, even though I know say you're not hurt the baby, for me, I still, you know, not gonna be as I still feel like I need to be a little bit more fragile than before, or soft, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, that's in my head. Even though I know say baby, I just feel I don't know. And that, I mean, that's how me feel same way. I mean, still, even after having 3 kids, baby number 4, I still don't feel like, yeah, I mean, it's like, you have to go take your time because I don't know. I just still feel like I say.
I mean, but in Anna, like, yeah, we are trying, you know, be like how it was before, you know, but there's still there's just this thing where kind of make you paranoid. Say something,
it's like something might go wrong, and that always in the back of my head for some reason. It's like you're extra cautious now. It's like you're not gonna be like
extra cautious, and then at this end of the day. It's like, if so God forbid say something at me, I go wonder if I that paranoid, you know? So you never know. And
then there are people that they put them like on bed rest or something like that. It's like that's off limits. But I mean, I've never experienced that. They up until the time. So as a matter of fact, when they're closer, they claim to say sex can induce labor. I don't know about that.
I mean, they say it, but I don't know if it's scientifically proven.
Yeah.
You know. It's just this say something they say or something that coincidentally a person will do something and they have a baby and them just come up with this theory say I
mean they do have a science behind it, but not if that was the case then it would induce labor by wrong time, you know.
Yeah,
so but they do say if you do more, you remember with Chunky the gynecologist said we must go home.
I mean, and it still not work. So I don't think
it was like go home, go do it because it might help, you know.
Yeah, so at the end of the day, I mean, it's from speaking as from a man perspective, you just have to improvise, you know. You just have to improvise, adjust, and we get creative.
Yes, but get creative with pillows and all kind of stuff.
And even that alone, it's like sometimes it's like the woman have to be willing sometimes for, you know, be creative as well, because sometimes you know they might get complacent and all kind of things.
Sometimes I really just want to lay down and I'm like, you know, hard it is. Sometimes me literally say, you know, hard it is for me get comfortable in a position and you want me to move.
That's why I say you have to just improvise, you know, improvise, adjust. That's it. So if you used to fear there when it plays like a mad person, you just have to learn. You just have to learn to get, you know.
You just have to
settle, you know. You just have to settle with where you get, you know.
Until
until things get back to normal.
Like couple months after baby born.
Yeah. So
yes, and if you haven't, we have a video where we talk about sex after you have baby. So if you haven't seen that, you wanna go and check that one out after you don't watch this one here.
Yeah.
Right?
So that one we have a lot of videos on the channel.
Yes.
If you don't want to see, just sit down Sundays. We have vlogs, everything on there. Go ahead and check them out. If you don't subscribe yet, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Alright? For your regular subscribers, them stay subscribed. Make sure if you're not getting the notifications, just turn off the notification bell and turn it back on.
Unsubscribe.
Or you can unsubscribe, subscribe right away and turn on
and
the bell.
comment. We really want to hear what other people have to say about this.
We not get much comment from it. It's like we see views them, but we not get the comments. We need the comments and likes.
Yes.
We don't need comments and likes. So we need that to get the ball rolling.
Yes,
right.
Especially this is a really nice topic for us to discuss. So let's have a discussion. Comment. Let us know if you.
Yeah, because pretty much when we do these videos, we know you probably have a thought behind it, a suggestion or something.
Yes,
just put
suggestion.
Just put it in the comment section, and we definitely
something will work for you.
Make the comment section get active. You know, we thought we definitely reply. Don't feel like if you comment, we're not gonna reply. We'll reply to you. We have a conversation here and just get engaged with everything,
Yes.
So I wanna make it thing nice and spicy over here, so yeah. So we have something else you wanna say pertaining to the topic?
Well, the only thing I wanna say is that I know that some women they always say that the second trimester is when you start get overactive sex drive. I don't know. I would really like somebody to comment and say if that ever happened to you. What's your thoughts on that and what's your experience on that? I've never experienced it. Like me say, we just go with the flow because yes, it's a duty. I have to do it. My body just in a different mode. They just don't want to be bothered with. Yes, but I would really love your guys' comment on that.
Yeah, so that's a female topic right there. So
that's a female topic.
You can't discuss it with them out there, But
men, what you have to say about it too.
And tell me what they say.
But the men them have something to say to it too. Like,
yeah, man, that's why I say you going to know what going in a comment section.
Yeah, men, I want to hear what you have to say too.
Yeah, so you see if you don't get
inspired.
No, we're trying to see if everybody man them are gonna have a common. They have a
common.
If they have something, everybody are gonna have the same reply as far as the suggestion is gonna be very common.
You have men where they just don't understand and they will be like, she just don't want to let her, she don't want to give me nothing. And then when they do get it, they don't be gentle or whatever the case. They just a rough up a woman or whatever. They just don't go with the flow or they get upset if the woman say no or whatever the case is.
Yeah, so I'm
curious.
Yeah, so
yes.
Yeah, man, that's the end of this one. We're not going to dry you too much.
Not going too much.
We want to not give you no take in the comment section, alright?
Yes.
So again, we are leaving off with our next suggestion. Please go ahead, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, comment, share. And if you already subscribed, just keep on supporting the channel. Watch the videos, don't skip the ads, and say subscribe and make sure you notification bell. Alright.
Peace. So good night. Bye.